sweet Lady Jane, when I see you again, your servant am I, and will humbly remain. Just heed this plea, my love, on bended knees, my love, I pledge myself to Lady Jane. My dear Lady Anne, I've done what I can. I must take my leave, for promise I am. This play is run, my love, your time has come, my love. I've pledged my troth to Lady Jane. My sweet Mary, I wait at your ease. The sands have run out, for your